Today I am going to show you how to make date milkshake. So let's start. So the ingredients of my milkshake are some dates which are seedless, milk, cardamom and some ice cubes. So let's start. So first take a blender jar and add 10 to 12 seedless dates. Then add milk to it. Now add 5 to 7 ice cubes. And then add cardamom powder, half tablespoon. And now we are going to blend it into a smooth milkshake. So I blended it into a smooth milkshake and now I am going to transfer this into a glass. I transferred the milkshake into this glass. Now I am going to garnish it with some dates. So I garnished it with some dates. So this is my delicious and tasty and healthy date milkshake recipe. Please try this milkshake at home. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.